Namaste everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to dive into the world of the top 5 free Android gaming apps on the Play Store for June 2023. Let's get started. Now before we start, we have an honorable mention. BGMI or Battlegrounds Mobile India has garnered immense popularity since its recent unban. Although it just missed making it into the top 5, it deserves a special mention for its engaging battle royale gameplay and loyal player base. So first up, we have a classic game that has been dominating the mobile gaming scene for quite some time now. It's none other than Ludo King. With its addictive gameplay and the ability to connect friends and family, Ludo King has become the go-to choice for casual gaming sessions. Next on our list is an action-packed game that brings the thrill of robot battles right to your fingertips. Say hello to Robot Wars. Engage in intense battles, customize your robots, and unleash your tactical skills in this exciting combat game. Moving on, we have an app that's sure to appeal all the bike enthusiasts out there. Indian Bike Driving lets you experience the adrenaline rush of riding through various terrains across India. Get ready to rev your engines and embark on a thrilling virtual biking journey. Now let's talk about a global sensation that needs no introduction, Roblox. With its vast collection of user-generated games and limitless creative possibilities, Roblox has captured the imagination of millions worldwide. Dive into a game of endless adventure and let your creativity soar. Last but not the least, we have GT Cars Stunts. With its realistic graphics and challenging tracks, this game offers an exhilarating experience for all racing enthusiasts out there. And there you have it, our top 5 free Android gaming apps on Play Store for June 2023. Make sure to check them out and let us know which one is your favorite.